Hi guys! Welcome back to Aazeen Kids Globe. My name is Aazeen. Today I'm going to talk about technology and modern technology. What is technology? Technology is the study of scientific knowledge that makes process and tools to make our day-to-day life easier. Like, here's an example. We all use phone. We all use laptops, we all use TVs and computers. What are they? They are technology because they were invented many years ago. And what is modern technology? Modern technology is nothing other than technology. Just the development in technology is modern technology. Basically, technology is there, and when we develop it and make something new is modern technology. Like the new EV cars. They don't need a driver. If you don't know driving, just set the location and it will drive on its own. And one more advantage is there of those cars. You just don't need diesel and CNG to run them. Just charge them, they have a battery, they run on electric. Okay, so AI is modern technology. It is developing everything. So guys, learn technology because technology is going to change the world either we like it or not. So it's better to be with technology. And so we should learn technology because it is taking the world one step ahead. So let's go with technology and make this world better by using it and developing it, no matter what. So guys, be with technology and learn about it as much as you can because in the future it will be very helpful, and nowadays also it is very helpful. In the future it will be developing even more. So guys, be with technology, learn about it, and that's it for now. Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe.